Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about the Tesla Model 3 or the Reengineered and regarding about the white seats. So Tesla has, if you've been, or customers been placing order with the white seats, it has been pushed back quite a bit until today. One of the buyer who posted on X that he placed the order. This is when it first debuted in the United States in January, and now he got like the estimated delivery date and with the white interior. As you can see right here, this is even posted by Sawyer on X as well too. But there's the buyer's name's David, and white interior Model 3 been assigned. So looks like the white interior Tesla Model 3 will begin delivering in the United States starting today, which is the 19th, which is today. My delivery window is now April 19th to the 26th, and he has the reservation number, the VIN number shaded out, and you can see the design, the long range dual motor all-wheel drive, stealth gray color, and black and white premium interior. All right, so he ordered this in January 10th, 2000, like three months ago. Right, so, and you know what, which is good because Tesla do make money like $1,500 on these white interiors, and there's a lot of people that they want these seats to be white because it looks like nice, clean, simple, you know what I mean? So let's go to the Tesla website and see if we were to order one today, when are we going to be expecting to get the our vehicle. So we're just going to leave everything as the base model. And we're not going to change the color, anything like that, but we're just going to, if we leave it at the black interior, we're going to see the delivery date. It's going to state here somewhere in May, April to May, so anytime soon. So, and depending on where you live, you might get like some of the service center might already have some that are in stocks, and you might be able to pick it up right away. I think that my previous videos I did, and there's a few vehicles that are in stock. So, but if we would have changed the color from black to white interior, and which will cost $1,500 more, but you know, we really don't care about the money, we just want the looks of it. And then you can see the date will change to June, so you're going to be getting about maybe a month and a half, but then you're going to get the color that you want. Okay, so which is good. So this is good news for the all the customers that wanting white interiors, and this is good news for Tesla because they'll be making more money. That way they're gonna bring their stock price back to where it used to be. I hope, you know. But thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions on buying Tesla or anything at all, feel free to leave a comment. Also, I would appreciate it if you can use my referral code in the description below. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time, take care.